This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a VW Passat side mirror cover. First, gather your tools, such as a plastic trim removal tool and your new mirror cover. Next, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the ignition off for safety. Take a moment to understand how the existing cover is attached, noting the location of any clips or tabs. This preparation will make the removal process much smoother. Now, let's remove the old cover. Using your plastic trim tool, gently insert it into the gap between the mirror cover and the main housing. Work your way around the edge, carefully prying the cover outwards. You'll feel the clips disengage as you go. Be patient and avoid using too much force to prevent breaking any of the delicate plastic tabs or the mirror assembly itself. With the old cover removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new mirror cover with the corresponding attachment points on the mirror housing. Once aligned, apply firm, even pressure around the edges until you hear and feel all the clips engaging. Double-check that the cover is flush with the mirror assembly and feels completely secure with no gaps. Finally, perform a few checks to ensure everything is perfect. Adjust your mirror to its various positions to confirm full functionality and that no components are loose. Give the new cover a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and won't vibrate while driving. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.